417. Okay, so which multiple of 100 is nearer to 417? 400. So subtract 17, add 17. 17 we are adding, subtracting. So square of 17 is 289. For our answer we will take 89 only, and 2 we will give for carry. Now by adding we will get 434. Okay, divide by 100. Cancel this. Multiply by this 4 to 434. 434 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. Write down this 1736 here. 6 3 17. Now add this carry here into 6. So 9 as it is, 8 as it is, 2 plus 6, 8, 3 and 7. So this is the square of your 417. Okay. Next number we will take 824. Okay, 824. So which multiple of 100 is near to 824? 800. So subtract 24, add 24. What is the square of 24? 576. Okay, for our answer take only last two digits and keep 5 for carry. Okay, then if we add here 24, then we get 848. Divide by 100. Cancel zeros. Multiply 848 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 8 8s are 64 plus 3, 67. Write down this number here. 4 8 67. Now add 76 9 8 67. This is the square of 824. Now you must have been thinking that I am taking numbers only nearer to 100, 200, 600, 800 like this. Then what is about the number if it is not nearer to any multiple of 100? 657 we take. Okay, 657. Then we have solution for this also. Same method you can apply if you know the square of 57. Okay, you can do that. But here we will find the nearest multiple of 50 here. So that is 650. So minus 7 plus 7. Easy. Okay. Now 7 square is 49. So 49 two digit we will take here. Okay. And come here, then add 664. Divide by 100 again. What we get? Multiply and take dot. Okay. Now 6.5 we can write as 13 by 2 into 664. So divide by 2. 3 3 2. Now multiply by this 13 to this 332. 332 into 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 39 plus 2, 41. 13 3s are 39. 39 plus 3, 43. Okay, write down this number here. So this is the square of 657. Okay, suppose we want to find the square of 468. So which multiple of 50 is nearer to this? 450. Okay, so minus 80 plus 18. Okay, so what is the square of 18? You should know this. Okay, 324. Okay, so last two digits we will take. 3 we will keep for carry. Then by adding what we get? 8 8 16. Then 8 and 4, 486. Okay, now divide by 100 again. Cancel zeros. 4.5. Instead of 4.5 we can write 9 by 2 into 486. Okay, divide by 2. 2 4 3. Multiply by this 9 to 243. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Write down here. 7, 8, 21. Add this carry into this 7. 24 as it is. 10, 9, 1, 2. So this is the square of 468. Understood? One last number we will take for this type. Okay? Suppose we want to find the square of 742. So which multiple of 100 or 50 is nearer to 742? 750. By adding 8, we get 750. We will subtract also. What we are adding and subtracting? 8. Square of 8 is 64. Now take both the digits for our answer. If square is of 3-digit number, then and then only we will keep for carry. Okay, otherwise both the digit we want for our answer. Okay, now come here. By adding 8 we got 750. By subtracting we will get 734. Divide by 100. Cancel both the zeros. Okay, 75 divided by 10 is 7.5. Now instead of multiplying by 7.5, we will multiply by 15 by 2 to 734. Because multiplying by 7.5 to 734 is not that much easy and faster. And here we are discussing quick methods. Okay, so instead of 7.5, we are using here 15 by 2. Divide by 2. 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 7s are. Now multiply by this 15 to 367. 367 into 15. 15 7s are 105. 15 6s are 90. 90 plus 10, 100. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 10, 55. Okay. Now put this number here. 5505. So this is the square of 742. Okay. Here in this case also we can use the expansion for a plus b whole square to find the square. Okay. Now suppose we want to find the square of 728. Here we will consider 7 as a, 28 as b. Then we will find a square twice ab and b square. 7a, therefore a square is 49. 2ab means 7 into 28. 20 and 7s are 196. 196 into 2 means 293. Okay, and square of 28 is 784. Now in case of 2-digit number, we had used single digit only, unit place digit for our answer. Now here in this case we will use 2 digits from b square, 2 digits from twice ab, and remaining all digits from a square. So 84 we will take here, 7 will go here for carry. Then if we add them, it becomes 399. 99 we will have here, 3 will go here carry. 49 plus 3 is 52. This is the square of 728. Okay. Now suppose if you want to find the square of 695. Here we will consider 6 as a, b 95. Okay. So a square twice ab, b square. A square 36 twice ab 95 into 6, 56 57 into 2 means 1140. Square of 95. So we know how to find the square of any number having 5 at unit place. Then 95 means 25. 9 next is 10. So 9 into 10 is 90. Okay. So here we have used also what we learnt. Now take this 25 for our answer. This 90 will go there and get added. It becomes 1230. So 30 we will have here. 12 will again go here for carry, get added, and it is 40. So this is the square of 695. Okay.